How to fix Reddit blocked by network security. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure your application is updated. Even though this is a network problem, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the search bar, type in Reddit. Make sure that you see Open instead of Update. If you see Update, tap on Update and update your app. Now, if you are being shown that error while using your Wi-Fi connection, switch it to your mobile data. You can also switch with your neighbor's Wi-Fi and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then it is suggested that you switch to your mobile data. Now for the next step, you can also head over to any of your preferred web application and simply use incognito mode. For that, tap on incognito mode, type in Reddit login and get logged into your account via a web browser. Now, another alternative is you can also opt for some VPN. So if you don't have VPN in your device, open your Play Store or App Store, search for VPN, install any VPN that you find is reliable, and simply turn on the VPN while using your Reddit. This shall definitely fix your blocked by network security problem. So guys, thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.